Hello, it's Dr. Damico again, and I'm here with Erica. We performed a procedure putting some Belotero, a filler, under her eyes earlier today, and just want to try to get her experience at what it was like. So what would, in general, would you say this experience was like for you?
I was actually pleasantly surprised. I expected it to hurt, but it did not. When you first put the anesthetic in, that I could feel a little bit of a pinch or burning sensation, but then after that I could feel where the needle was, but I couldn't necessarily, there definitely was no pain associated with it.
Good. So when we were moving the cannula around underneath your skin, that wasn't a terrible experience or anything like that?
No, not at all. I could feel where it was going, but there was no pain associated with it.
Okay, and normally that's the case. The only pain is when we have to make the little numb shot at the site where we enter the cannula through the skin, and we numb it up so that we make a tiny little poke incision with a needle, and that hurts if you're not numbed up. But after that, once you get under the skin surface, there's rarely any pain at all. And how are you feeling immediately afterwards?
No pain at all, and I didn't even, nothing.
And sometimes people feel like their eyelids feel kind of numb or jumpy or something like that. Did you feel anything like that?
I honestly did not.
And it's been several hours now. Have you noticed any pain or swelling or issues like that in the meantime?
No pain, no swelling, just not sunken in, so that's good.
That's good. And I don't see any bruising at all, and I really don't expect to have any bruising whatsoever. You can barely even see the little spots where we put the needles in earlier today, the cannula, and I imagine by tomorrow morning that'll even be completely gone. So it's basically a fairly painless and fairly simple procedure with essentially no downtime. And I think you got a really good result. Like I said, we might want to do another little bit touch up down the road in a few weeks or so. It's much better to do it that way in a series of treatments than to over-treat, especially in this area. You'll have a risk for a lot more puffiness or swelling, and that's not a good thing. It's hard to clear that up. It's a lot easier just to add a little bit more in a series of treatments than to do it all at once. So maybe we'll touch it up a little bit more in a few weeks. All right?
Sounds good. I'm very happy with my results.
Great. Okay, everybody, that's the under eye treatment. There was a separate video we'll have available earlier at the procedure itself. So if this looks like something you might be interested in, give us a call at Skincare Fort Worth. Talk to you later.